So, did you ever heard about AI pharmacist? And did you ever wonder about how machine learning changing the drug discovery? So, today in this video, we're gonna see how AI is taking place and it is changing the decision making and how it is predicting the drug development, the drug discoveries, the drug commercialization in a pharmaceutical industry. So, we're gonna see and we're gonna analyze how AI revolution is taking place all across the pharmaceutical world. So let's begin. So, can an algorithm replace a pharmacist, or does it only change how decisions are made? So today in this session we want to see the whole scenario. So let's begin with why drug discovery is broken. First of all, we should know that 12 plus years is taking an average time to bring a new drug to the market, and it is taking more than 2.6 billion dollars. This is a rough average of all out there. Average R&D cost per approved drug, and the success rate, it is less than 10%. Clinical trials that actually result in the approval. So what AI claims to fix: faster discovery, reducing screening time from year to weeks, better targets, identify biological targets, human bias misses, lower failure rates, predicting toxicity before clinical trials. This is a major one. Reduce cost, cutting the billion-dollar price tag. What humans are doing, the AI predicts as well, and it gonna reduce the cost also. And where AI actually works, as per today, it works on virtual screening, which is scanning billions of molecules digitally, de novo design, creating novel molecular structures, ADMET prediction, forecasting at absorption and toxicity risk, trial optimization, selecting the correct patients population, which is very important, and AI in action, not theory. So in action we can see Axishinesia, which is a first AI designed molecules to enter human trials. Then in silico medicines, AI discovered drug entered phase 2 in under 30 months, which is a huge time reduction. Or atom wise, using deep learning for structural based drug discovery. So these are the three AIs which are in action and which are in use. So this Axnesia, this is now used by Abbott, if I'm not wrong. So these are some AIs that are in use right now. You can check it out. And inside the AI pharmacist brain, that is data ingestion, papers, trial data, chemical libraries, feature extractions, identifying molecule properties, model training. It's how learning patterns from success failures, then prediction, ranking high potential candidates. AI predicts, human decides. That's how it's now working. Then the hard limit for AI, after thinking a lot, it is like poor bio understanding. AI knows correlations, not biological causation. Data bias, models are only as good as the historical data, which is flawed. Unmet needs, AI cannot define which disease to cure next, that human have to decide. AI does not reduce risk, it redistributes it, and it creates earlier confidence and faster failure, allow for better prioritization, but biological risks remains the same. Does AI reduce drug failure? In early stage, yes. AI drastically improves the efficiency of hit identifications and lead optimization. We fail faster on bad molecules before they reach expensive trials. Not at late stage, there is limit proof that AI discovered drug success more often in phase 2 or 3 clinical trials. Human biology is still the ultimate complex variable that nobody still understand. Where AI saves time, discovery phase, traditional pharma, where it was taking 4 to 6 years, that was a slow, and AI enables it to 1 to 3 year, which is fast. Clinical trials 6 to 7 years remain the largest time sink. This is the largest time sink in the whole clinical trial. The real value is portfolio level decision velocity. The edge isn't just a better molecule, it's the ability to kill weak program months earlier, reallocate capital to win instantly, run more shot on goal for the same budget. The AI pharmacist is a co-pilot. Augmentation, not replacement. AI crunches the data, simulates the physics, and predict the outcome. The human experts do validate biological plausibility, navigates regulatory gray areas, makes the final go or no go call. What regulators actually care about? Explainability, black box model are risky. The FDA needs to know why the model predicts efficacy. Then, reproducibility, can the results be reproducible, or AI finding must be validated in the wet lab? Audit trials, full traceability of data, lineage, and model versions used for decisions. Future state, 5 to 10 years, what changes? Discovery speeds accelerate exponentially, generate biology become standard, massive data integrations, omics plus clinicals. What won't change? Human biology complexity, safety trial on actual humans, ultimate decisions accountability. So, AI doesn't discover drugs, it changes how we choose them. So, choosing them is the first thing, and it is a combination work between AI and human both. So, AI will predict, human will work on the basis of that. At the end call is always with the humans only, not with the AI. AI can generate data on the previously searched data and the big databases only. That for human perception, humans will take a lot of time and the AI will do it in a second. So, what do you think of it? Let me explain. Thank you so much.